If you're looking for a good miter saw, chop saw, however you phrase it, this is a great one. The beauty of this is I can cut this way. I've got a digital light on here, so if it's dark, you can see exactly where you're going to cut. You literally put the board right there. The light shows you exactly where it's going to be. You can measure it, do whatever. If you don't need the light, you can do fine. It's got the thing to help prevent, if you're prone to chopping your fingers off, it prevents that. Don't ask me how I know. The other good thing about this is you can cut angles, okay? So you unlock this, you can rotate it, and I'm here to tell you, I learned how to do crown molding with my angles. I can change it to 45, I can go back the other way, I can do all kinds of different cuts. You can extend it with this base, which makes it great. You can literally take it wherever you need. I'm literally out in the middle of my field doing some portable carpentry. I can change it, I can do whatever. I can lower it, store it, I can bring it back to where I need it in the center, and I can extend this board out with the stand, and it takes it so that if you have a long piece of board that you need to cut short, it holds it for you. So I wanted to cut that piece off. I can put it right in here, and it holds it exactly where I need it to be. If I want to change that, all kinds of adjustments on here, protection. I personally like for the sawdust to go out there. It's got a convenient place to store your cord if it's not plugged in. When you store it, you can lock it in place with this machine right here. Great feature. Pretty much it. Good luck.